Hey guys, we just finished building these raised bed gardens and today we're going to plant some seeds. In this box we're planting peppers. Peppers like a balanced P and K fertilizer, which is phosphorus and potassium. If you want to know more about what your veggies like to eat, check out my video on NPK. We're going to start by raking in 1 cup of bone meal and 1/4 cup of langbonite, which I've already mixed together in this mason jar. You can find bone meal at your local hardware store, but the langbonite I had to order online. Next, we create these neat little rows with something that's straight. I'm just using a leftover board that we had in the garage. Peppers like their space, so I'm spacing the rows about 12 inches apart and planting the seeds about 6 inches apart, and I'll thin them out later. I'm using this marker to make 1/2 inch deep holes. Last thing we did was cover the seeds with a little dirt. Now we'll give them some water and we should have some baby pepper plants in about a week. Well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed my video on how to plant peppers. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to be notified when I do other videos, hit subscribe. I'll see you next time. Happy planting!